Hey, this just came in for our latest bathroom renovation project. What is it? It's the Delta Intuition Universal Showering System. It comes with a 2-in-1 shower with H2O kinetic technology. The shower head gives you 5 settings, including pause, which allows you to water the plants, wash the dog, and everything in between. Plus, it has docking technology, which allows you to connect it and disconnect it with ease. It comes with a 60-inch hose, and it allows you to run the shower head, handheld, or a combination of both of them at the same time for the ultimate shower experience. So now let's see what's in the box. So your instructions, your 60-inch hose, your handheld with your control, your pause feature, and your wall shower, which also lets you turn on 1, 2, or both. All you need to do is hook it to your existing shower arm and you're set. It's a 15-minute installation and you're going to have the ultimate showering experience. So for more information on this product, go to our product page.